Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. Zontes have released this video for all their motorbikes and scooters that have the Juan front 4-pot brake caliper. It relates to the two fastening bolts that hold the caliper in position. Zontes have stated this as an immediate bolt change. You can check your ride by looking at the bolt heads to see if they have the EG mark on them. If they have, then you do not need to change the bolts. I have checked my own Zontes 350GK model year 2022, and it does have the correct EG stamped on the head of the bolts. So this release of the video may point to newer model years, including the 350 range, the 368 range, and the 703 range. So please check your ride has the correct bolts fitted. If not, then please contact your local Zontes dealer immediately to get your bolts changed. This is not a recall, yet the dealer should know of this required change of bolts. If they don't, then show them this video. It's only a 5-minute job. If they are waiting stock, then ask them to red Loctite the bolts while you await the new bolts. Please contact your nearest Zontes dealer or country Zontes distributor. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. Regards, Mad Mick.